we will have now a brief presentation of the sponsors, starting from the technical committees that sponsored our workshop, especially the Technical Committee of Cognitive Robotics, whose mission is to foster links in the field of robotics, cognitive science, and artificial intelligence, and makes the field of cognitive robotics industry, share the mission of bringing cognitive robotics in both industrial and social environments. So we will invite you to join this technical committee, scanning the QR code in this slide. We also received the sponsorship from the Technical Committee of Rehabilitation and Assistive Robotics, whose mission is the application of robotics in motor therapy procedure for recovering motor control and motor capabilities in people with impairments. And again, you can scan the QR code to join this technical committee. Now I'm pleased to invite Professor Ana Luisa Trejos to talk about ICOR Consortium.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry about the delay. My name is Ana Luisa Trejos, and I just wanted to talk briefly about the International Consortium for Rehabilitation Robotics. This is a consortium that started in Enschede in 2018 during the BioRob conference, originally led by Rui Loureiro and Robert Riener. And at the time, we were 34 founding members that started it all. The purpose of the consortium is to contribute and promote collaborative research in the areas of robotics and advanced technologies as applied to healthcare, focusing on rehabilitation therapy and functional independence. This is our current ICOR board. We grew from 5 members to 9 members, 11, I'm not counting well here, 11 members at this time. And I'm very happy to report that just last week I was chosen as the next president-elect, which means that eventually I'll be president in 2030. But it's a pleasure to be part of this committee. Our membership has grown now to 487 members from 38 countries. You can see here with the distribution of our current membership. And we do a lot of things. We are the leading body that organizes the International Conference on Rehabilitation Robotics. And this just took place last week in Chicago. We also organize other workshops and events on rehabilitation and associated technologies. Partially what we're doing today is sponsoring this workshop as part of the ICOR workshops. We disseminate information and encourage research and research impact. We establish relations with other similar associations, national or international. We'll talk about that in a second. And then we promote the field and support young, talented researchers in education and advanced research and development. And what I was just saying, we developed a really good collaboration with other societies that are also related to rehabilitation robotics and created the International Consortium for Rehabilitation Technology, which is in charge of running the Rehab Week, and ICOR is now part of the Rehab Week. So together with them, you can sort of see here, the ICOR conference was ran separately on its own from 1990 to 2009 all over the world. And then in 2011, it became part of Rehab Week, and it's been part of that since then. And so if some of you were at Rehab Week last week, you would have seen that for 2027, it's going back to where it all started in 2011, and it's going to be held in Switzerland, in Zurich. And so that will be part of the next. So thank you so much.